What's going on, guys? Your girl Simply Saint. If you'd like to see how I got this quick simple updo on my natural blow dried hair, then keep watching. So my hair has been pre-sectioned into the section already, and I moisturize it with the Melanin Twist Elongate Install Cream, and then I seal it with the multi-use pure oil blend. So the back half of my hair, I'm going to be braiding it in a loose large braid going upwards. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure your hair is already detangled. It makes the braiding process a lot easier. And how are you guys doing out there today? I'm doing good. Just wanted to check in with you guys and thank you to all the new subscribers. I see you. Hey. So I'm almost finished with the braid in the back going upwards. So when I make it to the top, I'm gonna gather the top half of my hair and make it into a bun. So I'm gonna take out the top section of my hair and gather it in with the back using my wide tooth comb to detangle it all together. And then I'm gonna use a head tie and tie that section together loosely. Before I add the head tie, I'm using some of the Cream of Nature Extra Whole Edge Control so I can smooth my hair just to make it look a little bit more neat. So I'm gonna grab my ponytail holder to secure my ponytail. So I'm using a small teeth comb just to smooth out the edge control. If you have a brush within reach, use your brush. My brush wasn't within reach, so that's why I used what I had available at the time. So now I'm trying to go through and fix the little edges that I have. And now I'm gonna secure and fix my bun on the top of my head. You can fix it into what position you like. Maybe you can do a donut, maybe you can twist it and then tuck it that way, but just secure your bun so you protect your ends. So alright, I'm back. So I went to fix my bun off camera. It's a little bit lopsided, but I still wanted a messy look because this is just a simple blow dry hairstyle. So this is how it looks, 360. I remember I used to wrap this hairstyle so much in high school. Actually, not high school. After I met my husband, because that's when I started wearing my hair out. So not in high school, but after I met my husband. Long story short, don't worry about it. That's when I started wearing my hair out. That's when I used to rock this hairstyle a lot. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.